With just 10 minutes of this exercise, you will burn more calories than running 50 minutes. For many people, the daily routine of work and the stress of day-to-day leave little time for their hobbies, especially if it is going to the gym to burn the little energy we have left. But that is a thing of the past. In this article you will know a very simple exercise that you can do every day in the tranquility of your house in just a few minutes and burn those calories quickly and easily. This exercise is well known, and even if you do not believe it, jumping rope is not just a child's play, but a truly complete exercise that will bring great benefits to our health, such as improving our cardiovascular level, to coordination or balance. Jumping the rope is the most complete exercise that exists thanks to its multiple benefits such as burning those calories we have. Here are some of the most common benefits of this exercise. 1. Burn calories. 10 minutes jumping rope is compared to running for over half an hour, both cardiovascular and calorie burning. 2. Very easy to do anywhere. You can practice at home, especially for those people who want to get in shape and do not have little free time in the day. 3. Work the whole body at the same time. It is a very simple exercise, but it complements all the muscular groups of our body: legs, arms, trunk and back. 4. Improve our skills. When jumping rope, we also work on coordination, reflexes and balance. All this has a very positive effect on our health and improves our motor skills. Tips for jumping rope: jump barefoot or with comfortable shoes and the floor is not very padded. Keep your gaze high, forward. If it helps, you can jump in front of a mirror. Keep your elbows glued to your body and do not open your arms. Rotate the rope using your wrists, not your arms. Once you master the jump, challenge yourself with new challenges. Jump with only one leg, cross your arms, change the direction of rotation of the rope, etc. There are many possibilities. Always remember to share your family and friends.